Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to improve laptop speed on Windows 11 with easy to follow steps. So, without wasting any more time, let's get right to it. On your keyboard, press the Windows key and I. Scroll down and click Storage. On this page, scroll down and ensure that Storage Sense is turned on by clicking this button here. Now scroll up and click Temporary Files. On this page, click the little checkbox beside each item. You can leave downloads unchecked unless you don't mind deleting everything inside. Once you've selected everything you want to delete, scroll up and click Remove Files. Click Continue. Deleting junk files helps free up disk space and also improves system performance. On your keyboard, press the Windows key and I. Click Apps, then down here, click Startup. On this page, you want to go through all the applications that have high impact on startup and turn them off by clicking these buttons. As you can see, I've turned everything here off. If you have an antivirus installed, you can leave it on, but everything else should go off. Once again, press the Windows key and I on your keyboard. Click Notifications, scroll down, and ensure that this option is turned off by deselecting the checkbox here. On your keyboard, press the Windows key and I. Click Apps, then click Apps and Features. On this page, scroll through the list of installed applications and look for any apps you do not use frequently. Click the three dots next to the application you want to uninstall, and then click Uninstall here to remove it. Uninstalling unused applications helps free up disk space and also helps improve system performance. Press the Windows key and I on your keyboard. Click Power and Battery. On Power mode here, click the drop down and select Best Performance. Click the Windows icon, then type sysdm.cpl. Click this to open it up. Click the Advanced tab. Under Performance, click Settings. Click Adjust for Best Performance. This disables all effects. Now we don't want Windows to look ugly, so click this option here and click this option here. Click Apply, then click OK. If your laptop still experiences a lot of lag even after following the steps in this video, you might want to consider rolling back to Windows 10 or consider upgrading your system. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.